Hey guys, this is Frank Cantius here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. We're here to show you the 2023 Cruiser Yachts 46 Cantius. So we're going to do this walkthrough a little differently, kind of interview style. I got Doug Larson, the general manager of Brick, and I got Scott at the helm. So Doug, could you just give us some highlights and features of the swim platform, what you like and how it's set up?
Absolutely massive swim platform, fully submersible. Nice electric Kenyan grill. So if you want to grill, you have the kids out, everybody's in the water. Massive amounts of storage.
Seating for what, about 6-7 people?
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy 6-7 people. I mean, this is absolutely massive, great for entertainment. You have your fridge.
So refrigerator right up here. And then if you need to be protected from the shade, we've got a big shade that does come back here and covers the cockpit area. What we'll do is we'll make our way into the Salon. Alright, so Doug's known for making a mean cocktail. Doug, what do you like about the layout here in the galley?
Yeah, I mean, the aft galley is a game changer. So you can prep all your food, you have sink, you have great storage, and you'll never be too far from everybody having fun in the cockpit.
Before we make our way up to the helm, nice shot here on the starboard side. You do have a double fridge with TV. Nice seating area. And a big dinette area. Alright, now we're going to show the captain's area. Right up at the helm, we got Scott Cameron from MarineMax Brick manning the vessel. Scott, what do you like about the layout up here at the helm?
Well, the first thing I really like is the visibility from the helm on this boat. It's exceptional. This boat comes equipped with dual Garmin screens, great chart plotting, great navigation tool. All your controls are right here laid out. This boat also comes equipped with a seakeeper for stability and a joystick for real easy docking maneuvers. So it's a great functional helm area.
Awesome.
Now let's check out the cabin area of this 46 Cantius. As you see, I'm 6'2" and I can step right into the well-appointed head. Shower is enormous, no issues fitting in there. As we walk over to the VIP stateroom, I'm 6'2" and I have plenty of cabin headroom. Very comfortable queen-size mattress. You also have a nice Samsung TV.
Down here in the master stateroom, sitting here with Doug. Doug, what do you love about it?
Absolutely my favorite room on the boat. Full beam master. It's huge. I mean, you have a ton of space. Again, at 6'2", I have no issues standing up. One huge thing is if you walk this way, a washer and dryer on a 46-foot boat. That's pretty impressive. Beautiful sitting area where Frank is. And again, a queen-size mattress to enjoy those nights. Frank, I mean, I can go on and on about what I love about this boat. What's your opinion? What do you like?
I love being right at the water level. I think this is an awesome shot here, whether you're riding or you're anchored up for the night, just being able to look out. Both sides have that full-length window. It's really nice being down here.
Hey guys, Scott from MarineMax Brick again, talking about the bow of this boat, and I love the features in the bow. You got a beautiful table that can go up and down. You have seats, you can lounge and lay back, or you can flip them up so you can sit up. It's a great area for dockside cocktails. You also have great communication with the helm with the sunroof open. You also have foot controls for your windlass anchor up here, your searchlight, and I love the high bow rails here for safety. It's just a very functional forward area of the boat. Okay folks, so thanks a lot for taking a walk around our 2023 Cruiser Yachts 46-foot Cantius. It's an awesome boat, right Doug?
I mean, there's not enough time in this video to show you all the true features of this boat. Boat's in the water, so we'd love to have you come down, take it on a sea trial.